Yes, my people. Yeah, L again. And guess what now? This is a nature's kit. Nature's first aid kit. Again, if you want to escape from all of the issues of life, this is what you need. Build up your immune system. Rejuvenate your cells fast, 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 fast. And this we're talking about. You have to take this. This is a nature's first aid kit. It has everything to create and rejuvenate. It's the new you so you can love life again. This is what we're talking about, your Noni Plus. We're talking about the chocolate, original dark Wildcraft chocolate and your bamboo charcoal. You have to have this in your medicine kit because this is nature's first aid kit. If you don't have it, you need to get it now.
Why?
Because this is what we're talking about. Reverse all sickness. This is why you have to have it. Because it helps you to fight all the dirty diseases that are plaguing your system right now. Nature's first aid kit.
I'm not convinced. Is it the turkey berry? What's in it? I'm not convinced. Why? What's the combination? Why? I'm not convinced.
This is an amazing combination. In the Noni, we have the turkey berry. We have the Guinean. We have the watercress. We have the tambourine.
And cayenne pepper.
Cayenne and the garlic. And the Noni. I tell you about the Noni. The Noni tell the retarded cells to act normal. The Noni tells and instruct the bad boy cells them to behave themselves. So.
How old are you?
Listen, I'm timeless, Randy.
You're timeless, but your face looks like you're 21.
Listen to me.
But your beard doesn't look like you're 21.
That's right, because...
But your face looks like it's 21.
Wisdom.
So is this what you're taking?
Listen to me, I take this every day.
I'm convinced now.
I take this every day.
Your eyes are white.
Thank you.
Your skin are good.
And I feel energized.
And you look young, but your beard...
Yes, because it's a wisdom.
So you're a young... You actually reverse your age, is what you're saying to me.
I'm telling you, Randy, within the last 8 months, I've knocked probably about 2 years off my mom.
So your wife says anything to you? Like...
Listen, man. Every day she tell me that, oh, yeah, you look good. Every day she compliment me.
Because you know what you're saying here is if your cells, and you've been taking this for 8 months?
8 months, 8 months now I've been taking this.
So you're saying it takes 13 months for the whole body to
replenish, rejuvenate.
So you're in 8 months of this.
8 months.
You take your chocolate every day?
Every day I take chocolate. If I miss it in the morning, I'm getting it at night.
So you take the chocolate, which will give you 2 more cells instead of just
one. So
like if you get 2, if you're supposed to get 2 cells, it multiplies to 4.
That's right. It doubles the amount of cells. So if you're losing 4 cells, it's giving you 8 cells.
And the watercress now rejuvenate the cells for perfection. Get rid of the cancer.
Get rid of this cancer. It gets rid of all the things, all the pathogens. Because remember that watercress is the world #1 vegetables. That we have to know. This is how dynamic watercress is, and we managed to put it in the bottle.
Yes.
And we managed to just that, put it in a bottle. We managed to put it in a bottle with Noni, Guinean, tambourine, turkey berry.
People who are not convinced, they say it's herbalist, whatever, because they don't have a quote-unquote problem. And you're saying from 5 till 99, I've been taking this. And the Noni 7 Plus knocked out this new...
Whatever strain it might come.
New virus thing.
Whatever virus might come, I tell you this.
Just take it.
Just take it away. If you have the flu, it knocked out the flu almost instantly.
When this is done,
and it protect you from getting the flu.
After they pay the price, the full price, then they come back and then we'll give them a coupon code for
you can get it cheaper.
A reduced price.
Yes, you can.
Because it's an ongoing monthly subscription.
Yes.
So you have to do it for 8 months to a year.
I want you to do it for 13 months.
And then realize this is like water.
I'm giving away some of these products, Randy, because I want people to get it.
And what are the
I'm giving it to artistic youths.
To rejuvenate the brain.
I'm giving it to students that are studying nursing, doctor,
For memory.
and they work long hours. Some of them are driving miles because I want them to see the power, feel the power, live the nutrients and the benefits.
The charcoal, you take 7 days to
At
clean the
least
system.
7 days I want you to take the charcoal,
First.
depending on what you're in your system. But 7 days is very good to clean and
Good,
get rid
you're
of the bad
serious
cells.
about this. What you do, you kill all the dead cells first
All
with
the
the
dead
chocolate.
cells,
7
you wanna
days.
get them out.
And then you either take the powder for the chocolate or the
Or
drops.
the chewable or the drops.
And then you do the Noni
Every
7
day.
every day.
Every day you do a Noni. You can do from 1 teaspoon to a tablespoon.
This guy's, you notice my bottle is dirty.
Yes.
Because I was trying,
Yeah, this you can see this bottle definitely went through it.
My bottle, let me tell you something. I've never been consistent with anything
Alright.
in my life. But,
You felt it.
you know, there's something called voluntary action and involuntary action.
Yes.
What if the body sees something outside of it? And he's like, wait a minute, every time he goes for this bottle, I feel better.
Yes.
So I keep it on my desk.
Randy, it's the same thing with me. I've never been consistent with taking anything, as most herbalists can tell you this. You know, and this is one thing I've been consistent with for the last 8 months. I kid you not.
So I feel like the body.
The body
is,
calls for it. The body goes for it.
Yeah. And that's what I found that I was doing.
Yes.
I drink it every day to the point where when this virus thing was coming on, I didn't get my throat was just itching. And I said, it's coming. So I drank 3 of it.
That's it.
And I went to bed and the heat started, but I'm like, wait a minute, the virus, I'm gonna drink
Still
a little
there.
bit more. And it just started fighting.
Yeah,
I only
every
had
4
mucus,
hours.
but I had no pain, I had no fever, and the itchy throat.
Gone.
The pain, there was no pain in my throat.
God.
And people, that's why my bottle is dirty. I'm proud to have a dirty
Use it in the
bottle.
dark, people.
I just drink from the cork. I don't even get a spoon.
Yes, I'm
I just
telling
open
you.
it, pour 2 cups of this in the morning, and boom,
I use my measuring cup because I gotta be accurate.
2 corks. I use 2 corks of this every day.
That's it.
Because if I'm taking it with me, I don't have a spoon.
You don't have a spoon, but me, I put it there. When I get up, I go in the kitchen, drink me some water probably, or I eat me a
This is
fire.
exciting time for us.
That's it.
Because what you've done, you've combined the best 7 herbs, the Guinean, watercress for turkey berry, tamarind,
Noni,
and
some garlic and your bird
garlic
pepper.
and bird pepper, cayenne pepper, and it distributed. And the body has never, in history, from Jamaica, no herbalist, no Dr. Wabi, nobody has ever done this. This is the Bob Marley of herbs.
Michael Jackson too.
Yes, this is the system of us people. We're not trying to sell you something.
It works, man.
The Nature's Medicine Kit, and trust me, let me show you.
Memory, it works. I'm telling you. You see people with Alzheimer's, Parkinson. This can help them. As I tell you, it's helping people with autism.
Chocolate is the key. So when you eat the chocolate with it, and this is my chocolate.
This is the chewable. You have the chewable.
Yes.
Yes, we have the
Show them the powder.
We have the powder
is the
also. You can
powder.
put it in anything and everything.
yes.
And again, we just going chocolatey. This is the liquid extract.
This is the chocolate you drop under your tongue
You can
every
drop
day.
it on your tongue. You can drop it in some water. You can drop it in
So
your
when
tea.
you sell it with the drops and the powder
Yeah, you can. Yeah, the package comes at the drop and the powder.
and the Noni 7
The
and
Noni
the
7
charcoal.
and your charcoal.
So you're going to get chocolate to bring in your purse or your bag.
On the road.
On the road.
On the go, we want you to have it.
Even if you're a truck driver. Boom.
It don't matter who you are. You're a doctor. You can have it in the...
And the purpose for the chocolate is instead of just giving you 2 cells, you get 4.
You get 4. You double at any given time.
So now if people say, let me just eat regular chocolate, what's the difference between your chocolate?
All right, our chocolate, of course, it's not contaminated. First of all, it's Wildcraft.
Okay.
It grows in the wild. No fertilizer or, just nature's. Again, it is not manufactured where add anything except a little vanilla extract and some cinnamon. That's it. It's not sweetened. You taste the difference. It's not contaminated with anything, any artificial. Nothing artificial. It is raw, natural chocolate.
Let's jump something forward. I want to talk to you about. We talked about the Yaya lifestyle.
The
liberty, Yaya liberty, YL. You have a regimen.
Yeah.
And you're the healer. You're the health guy.
Definitely.
Tell us the products that you take. We discussed this before because I wanted everybody to have your regimen. We know everyone won't go raw, but at least healthy. Let's just say they ate healthy.
I just want you to eat healthy. And you can do this. You don't have to be 100% raw because, as I say, it's not a one-size-fits-all.
Yes. So now tell us the products that you take every day.
As I say, every day.
Nature's medicine kit.
Nature's medicine kit.
One.
My dandelion.
My
dandelion. I love
every
my dandelion. Every day, people. I have one at home, and I have one on my table in the office.
Show me your little basket that you have. You always have this little basket with you.
Little basket, man. This is my basket.
So this is your medicine.
Yeah, I carry my medicine in this basket. For instance, okay, you talk about on a regular. This is my kimchi fermentation. So I have my kimchi that I, because we know about gut health, we know about fermentation. So this is the kimchi. So that's the thing. We have to get a little kimchi, and talk about chocolate. See, I'm chocolate up.
You always have your chocolate.
I always have my chocolate. Sometimes a little cranberry or a little raisin with my chocolate.
Okay, got it.
When
you're dandelion, you said something about the more.
The more. Yes, the more
liquid extract.
Oh gosh.
So you say
with your meringue
capsules.
Your fennel. No, it's the liquid, man. You gotta taste.
You got a meringue too?
Meringue is in the more.
Okay, okay.
It's got the meringue, the fennel, and your pepper, elder. We call it the black ginger. These three herbs.
Right. Let's get back to it. Nature's medicine kit you take every day.
With my more.
With the more. Dandelion.
Yes.
And
what else? Yeah, basically, yeah, of course.
And the king of the liver.
King of the liver. I don't take the king of the liver every day. I take it I would say every 3 days.
Okay.
Every 3 days I take the king of the liver.
Do you go to the bathroom?
I go to the bathroom like, whoa, man.
No, I mean, do you have to take the king of the liver in the night?
Well, what I'll do, I'll take it probably, it's best to take it in the night, but I'll take it probably around in the evening.
Is it a drop?
Yes, it's drop. It's an extract also.
Show us that because it's over there. It's over there. And you said that this is a must-have in the home.
This is a must-have in the home because...
Hold it here for me. Right here.
Yeah. Remember now, a lot of people, they're eating what they're not supposed to be eating. So you find that the arteries are blocked. They are clogged. There's a lot of calcium. There's a lot of plaque on the walls of the arteries.
Because you're doing it every day, you're cleaning the liver.
Take away clean the liver. Therefore, if you're a diabetic.
Is that why your eyes are white, your liver is clean? Tell us about white eyes. What does that mean? Your eyes are looking healthy.
Yes, my eyes have to look healthy. Because my liver, of course, I have my analyzer machine that I plugged up and check all the organs. And we see where, prostate is good, the heart is good. Well, the heart have a little grief because, the situation of what going on, but yeah, we still love our people, but and the bitter gall, we have to get back the bitter. Yeah, we have to get the gall bitter again.
So this helps with
all of that. So that's what I'm saying. When you talk about the blood sugar, it helps, again, regulate the
So
blood
to
sugar.
simplify, all your customers
Yeah.
should get the Nature's Kit,
Nature's Kit.
should get the Dandelion,
Dandelion.
should get the King of the
King of the
Liver,
Liver.
and should get the
More. The more. And I'm telling you.
But you also have a B12.
Yeah, we have the B12.
And-
And of course, a lot of people, a lot of time they come to me, yeah, you don't eat meat, you're plant-based. My B12 is perfect. I can show
Because
you
of the
my-
B12 thing you take.
Yes.
Is it a week every week
No,
you
I
take
don't
it?
take it every week, Randy.
When do you
It's my
take-
body just tell me that, oh, I need B12. The last time I took some B12 is probably about 3-4 months ago.
So they should also kind of have that.
You gotta have your B12.
The B12.
And the thing is, what happened is, the Nature's Kit also recalibrate your system to absorb the B12. Because a lot of people are B12 deficient because their body is not absorbing the B12.
So basically, what the Nature's Kit does, it
Recalibrate just.
it paves the way for
Yes.
nutrients to be absorbed
Yes,
properly.
properly.
So if the cells are okay, if the body's functioning, and the liver is clean,
The kidney
and the
is good.
dandelion deals with the kidney, right?
Yes, of course, the dandelion is the boss for the kidney.
All right, so you got the kidney balance of the dandelion, you got the liver balance, which is flushing out the system
Yes.
consistently. That's why you do it. That's the trick.
That's the trick. And guess what? Even the more, dealing with the digestive, the
So the
small
more
intestine,
is cleaning the small intestine.
you're helping the small
So it's
intestine
a
and the stomach.
constant cleanser.
Yes, it cleanses you. It cleanses you and allow you
So
to
how come?
absorb nutrients.
So this is the secret.
Yes.
And then now,
It's not no secret anymore.
all right, now check it out. This is why I always want to know your lifestyle, because now health is easy now.
Yes.
What we want to do is make people understand, to simplify it, product, lifestyle.
Yeah.
That way, I can share this video. And this is what we always wanted to get to. This is what I wanted to get to. It makes it simple to know. The dandelion takes care of my kidney. The King of the Liver takes care of my liver. The Nature's Kit take of my rejuvenation, reset,
Setting.
and
Replenish. Restore.
It takes care of my cells.
Cells.
The
Cellular.
Nature's Kit takes care of the birth of the
Cellular.
cells
Yes.
and protecting the cells
Direct and instructing the
and
cells.
instructing the cells to be
Yes.
born perfect as possible
Yes. And remain and stay that way.
and stay that way.
Yes.
That's what the Noni does. Good.
Yes.
And then now, the more constantly cleans the intestine.
Constantly clean the intestine, the digestive tract, the stomach, all of that. It just comes and just say, hey, this is love.
Okay, so that's what you've been doing. Okay, good. I got you there. So with the Natures, you got.
And guess what? One more thing. Also with the more, because a lot of people having weight loss, weight issue.
Yeah.
The more suppress your appetite because, the fennel is in there and the pepper elder. So when you take it, you feel satiated. You don't feel
How often you
satiated.
take it?
Tell you the truth, bro. I take a dropper full every day.
So now, if you wrote a direction on the Yaya
Lifestyle,
Liberty box and discount it because it's a collective. And I know most of the time people have to wait for your products based on the time. And we know now the Yaya Liberty
They don't have to wait
box.
now. They don't have to wait now.
Yeah. But what I'm saying is, your product is very exclusive. I'm
It's
not gonna lie.
exclusive. And timing, and let me tell you,
I'm not gonna
Randy,
lie to the clients.
Timing-
This is not Amazon.
No, timing is, and it can't be Amazon. And I keep telling people that because natural, holistic medicine cannot be commercialized because it's a time sensitive methodology. You have to wait. You can't just go pull herb at any time. You can't just go prepare
Because
things
the
when you
bottle
feel
of that
like.
Noni 7 actually takes a month or so to make it.
Yeah, you have to drain the noni first of all.
Yes, and then deal with what you gotta deal with.
Yes.
Process.
And you can't have anybody doing your medicine.
So the YL box, what we call the YL box, the Yaya Liberty. Your box is what I want.
You can have my box,
Because,
man.
it's like, want to be like Mike, I want to be like you. When it comes to health, why not be like the health guy?
Yeah.
Because I don't have the complete, and I don't do the regimen. And that's important.
Yeah.
You have people who are selling stuff to make it simple for the audience.
Yeah.
It's just like, what do you do?
That's it.
Let me just do what you do.
Yeah, you have to be the example.
Because you know why you're doing it.
That's correct.
And now we know your secrets.
That's correct.
It's good.
That's great, man.
You're sharing your life. My brother,
Yeah, man.
the king of the liver. Did you bring one for me?
Yeah, man, you can have a king of the liver.
Thank you so much.
That's
The
you.
directions are on there.
Instruction is there.
And the dandelion. So now I'm going to have my YL box because now I know. People, take care of yourself. The link is in the description of this video. Go to JamaicaHealthBox.com. Check out the YL box or the Yaya's Liberty box. So we're simplifying it for everybody. I'm tired of complication.
Yeah, man.
Health should not be complicated.
No.
And that's why we do
Simplicity.
Jamaica Health Box.
Simplicity.
And now I have the king of the forest in a bottle. I've been dreaming of the day. People, I went to Portland and I took some king of the forest herb in my life. It was green. It took me out for a week. My eyes were the whitest I've ever had in my life.
And worse, there's a certain time when you should
Take this.
harvest the king of the liver, king of the forest too. So, but don't worry.
I've been asking you, it's like, yeah, I know it's in other stuff, but I need this thing at my disposal. And there it is.
There it is.
King of the liver. Part of the box that we've just invented tonight. Thank you. Supreme thanks to you for being you.
No problem.
And sharing your secret with the secret is out.
Yeah, your liberty.
The Aya Liberty
There it
is
is.
out. So it's 2025. Check the link below or go to Jamaica Health Box. Check out this. Let me take a picture of you, so I'll just put this picture right on the thing. 1 second. Hold up those for me.
Hold on. Let me
So
hold
just
up
the
all
same video right here. I'm just gonna put, so people when they see this video, see this picture, they just buy this whole thing and it comes to them. And please bear with us, people. We're seriously serious about health and simplicity. Thanks so much again.
It's my pleasure.
Now
It's
I
my
know
honor.
better now. Now I know.